Did you know that one man broke a 200-year empire with a handful of mud? In 1930, Gandhi began a 240-mile walk to the sea. His target wasn't an army base or palace, it was salt. The British had made it illegal for Indians to make their own salt. They had to buy it from British merchants at sky-high prices. Gandhi walked for 24 days. Thousands joined him. When he reached the ocean, he picked up salt-crusted mud. One simple act, one broken law. This triggered nationwide resistance involving millions. The British arrested 80,000 people, but they couldn't stop the movement. Gandhi understood something most people miss. The smallest acts of principled resistance create the biggest changes. He proved that moral authority defeats physical power, that one person's courage can awaken an entire nation's conscience. When you face overwhelming odds, remember this: you don't need massive resources to create massive change. You just need the courage to take the first step. Sometimes the most powerful weapon is simply refusing to comply.